Is your Toshiba TV stuck on the logo screen and just won't start? You turn it on, and all you see is that Toshiba logo. No home screen, no sound, nothing. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Whether you have a Toshiba Smart TV, Fire TV, or LED model, these easy methods can bring your TV back to life without needing a technician. Let's get started. Step 1. Power reset the TV. First, let's do a simple power reset. Many Toshiba TVs get stuck due to minor firmware glitches or static buildup. Here's what you need to do. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power socket. Now, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This discharges all remaining electricity from the capacitors. Leave it unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Disconnect all external devices. Sometimes, the issue isn't the TV at all, it's a connected device. A faulty USB or HDMI input can cause a boot hang. Do this, turn off your TV again. Disconnect all HDMI cables, USB drives, gaming consoles, or streaming sticks. Step 3. Soft reset via buttons. If your TV is still stuck, let's try a soft reset using the TV's built-in buttons. Here's how. Unplug the TV. Locate the volume down and input buttons on the side or bottom of your TV. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. While holding them, plug the power cord back in. Step 4. Factory reset from settings. If your TV eventually turns on but keeps freezing or showing the logo on restart, it's time to perform a factory reset from the settings. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings, Device and Software, Reset to Factory Defaults, or similar option depending on your model. Step 5. Update the firmware. Once your TV is working again, you should update the firmware to prevent this from happening again. To update, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Support Software Update, check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Step 6. Contact Toshiba support. If you've tried everything and your TV is still stuck on the logo, the issue might be with the mainboard or memory chip. In that case, contact Toshiba support or take it to an authorized service center. And that's it. Your Toshiba TV should now boot up normally and work like new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to help others fix their TVs too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.